Mga ka-homepage, magandang umaga. Nandito po ako ngayon sa isang warehouse sa Pasig City. At kung akala nyo ay nakasakay ako sa isang ordinaryong six-wheeler truck, aba, teka muna, nagkakamali kayo dahil itong truck na to, hindi basta-basta. Ang kasama po natin ngayong umaga ay si Shane Javier. She's Marketing Director for Gideon Hydraulic Mobile Stage Technologies Corporation. Nasabi ko ng tama, di ba? Yes. Good morning!
Good morning, Miss Eunice!
Good morning at maraming salamat. Kami ay pinatuloy mo dito sa iyong warehouse na punong-puno ng mga trucks na transformer trucks kung tawagin. Ang tanong ko, hindi kasi medyo normal o ordinaryo itong negosyong ito, no? This is something new, something different for the Philippines. Paano nagsimula yung interest nyo sa ganitong klase ng negosyo at bakit nyo pinasok ito?
Actually, it's a long story, Miss Eunice, no? Pero just to give you a brief background, actually kasi ang partnership ng Gideon, gusto nila muna is magtayo ng mission dito sa Pilipinas.
Okay.
And then, through that mission, they're gonna use this product.
Oh,
yun ang gusto nila.
Okay.
Ngayon, inisip nila na paano natin masusustain yung mission if wala tayong funds na pagkukunan.
Okay.
And then, dito na buo ang
Ayun. Papaano ang package? For example, I rented out this truck that turns into a robotic stage. What comes with the stage?
Actually, the package includes the audio and the lighting. And
kasama
it also
na.
includes yung mga operators and the driver.
Okay.
So wala ka nang problemahin.
Wala na.
Ang kailangan mo lang problemahin is yung performance na gagawin mo for the
Correct. So yun ang paghahandaan ko. Kunyari, kakanta ako, no? Pwede yan. Shane, kanina nabanggit ko, because off-cam, we were discussing already that this truck will not turn into a stage only. It could also transform into a library.
Yes.
Pwedeng spa, mga ka-homepage. Kung gusto niyo pong inegosyo, di ba, mobile spa, pwedeng-pwede. Paano ginagawa yun?
Actually, we can customize the design kasi for everyone. Like for example, kung gusto mo magkaroon ng sarili mong spa sa bahay, you can also do yung mga offices, like the mobile offices, training, conference room. So anything na pwede nyong imagine, pwede namin gawin.
Is this a Philippine technology? I suppose not.
Not. Actually,
international
it's an international technology, which is, dinala lang namin siya dito sa Pilipinas because we wanted the Filipino people to try this kind of technology.
And to experience it. Because it's something, state-of-the-artist ang dating niya, no? Kakaiba siya. It's something that we don't see every day. At parang ang teki-teki nating mga Pilipino, no? How are the Filipinos accepting it so far? Yung mga...
So far naman, they're very amazed whenever they see this stage outside. Marami nang nag-i-inquire and they wanted to do their outdoor parties using our truck.
Okay.
So yeah, we're really happy that they're really accepting the technology.
Yes. Because it's very convenient. I think that's what people are after for, convenience, di ba? Yung ease of use ng isang produkto. Well, Shane, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you,
Thank you so much and good luck dito sa napakagandang proyektong ito, this very good endeavor. Because in just a short while, we're gonna show them na, no, kung paano yung sinakyan kong truck kanina will eventually transform into this stage that we are sitting at right now. Yan pong ipapakita namin sa inyo at kayo mga ka-homepage ay talagang mamamangha. Thank you.
Thank you, Eunice.
Ng isang halimbawa nung robotic stage na nag-transform mula sa six-wheeler truck. Kompleto na po siya ng mga ilaw, meron pang fog machine, may smoke machine pa, at may disco ball pa nandun po sa gitna. Kung paanong ino-operate ito, nandito po kasama natin Mr. Rodel Geraldo. He is an engineer for Gideon at ituturo niya sa atin kung gaano kasimpleng paakyatin at pababain ang bubong na iyon ng truck. Good morning po sa inyo, sir. So, paano po natin gagawin? Yan roof yan nung truck mismo, no?
Actually, everything is controlled by remote.
Okay.
So, remote
Ayan,
control.
look at the remote. Malaki siyang remote, ha? Para siyang walkie-talkie, ganon. Okay, sir. Gusto natin pagalawin, kunyari, yung bubong.
Kung halimbawa gusto nyo pagalawin yung bubong, there are two parts ng bubong eh.
Okay.
Lower part, which is yun na rin ang siding ng truck.
Okay.
At yun talagang roof. Number one is, you want to go it up, just press it up. And
Ayun. So, umakit na siya.
the second one is yung kanyang tagiliran.
Okay.
You want to go it up, just put it up.
Ayun. Ang galing.
Going it down, just put it to go it down.
Alright. Ang
The
galing
other
niya.
one is just that simple.
Okay. So, lahat po ng movements ng truck and transformation niya, push button lang yun. Using this machine. How do we call this?
This is remote control.
Ano ba? Remote control nga naman pala ang tawag, di ba? Pero medyo malaking remote control
Malaki
siya.
lang siya.
Kakaiba siya. Ayan, so pwede po nating subukan. So gusto ko yung roof medyo umakyat, up. Uy, nakita niyo umakyat nga. At gusto ko namang bumaba siya. Aba, masunuring bata ang bubong na ito. Kahit ano ipagawa mo, ayan, akit na naman siya. Ayun. Sumobra ba? Tama lang.
Okay lang.
Napakadaling gamitin mga ka-homepage remote control lang ang kailangan nyo para ma-manipulate itong buong truck na ito na nagtatransform into what they call a robotic stage with matching lights. Ayan na po, ito lang ang kailangan mga ka-homepage. So there you have it. This is one technology again that I'm sure the Filipino people would like and would appreciate. So this is something that you guys should check out in the near future. Salamat! Mga ka-homepage, mula po sa simpleng pagpindot sa isang remote control, ang six-wheeler truck, ito na po, nag-transform into what you see now, a robotic stage. Kompleto sa mga ilaw, may kasama pang disco ball. Eto na, nasa mood na ako. Parang gustong-gusto ko ng kumanta. Microphone na lamang ang kulang at ako'y makakapag-perform na po. Subukan nyo ito yung mga ka-homepage. Talaga namang napakaganda at napaka-convenient. So on in, Weng, Elaine, back to you guys.